This view shows how the bacterium replicates by binary fission. These probiotic bacteria can grow exponentially every 20 minutes, so the consumption of one capsule containing viable probiotic cells ensures an inoculating dose for the whole length of the gastrointestinal tract. Here we see an enlarged representation of the gut wall. The villi provide a large surface area for the colonization of microorganisms and for the absorption of nutrients. We have many different bacteria, collectively known as the microflora, already colonized within the gut. The gut microflora is made up of beneficial and pathogenic bacteria, the pathogens being suppressed to low levels when the intestine is healthy. However, the gut microflora can become disrupted by many factors, including the use of antibiotics, excessive tiredness, or from any type of stress that may reduce our immune levels. During these times, pathogens can start to grow at higher concentrations, releasing toxins which act to damage the gut wall. Further microfloral imbalances start to occur, and we may notice symptoms of this imbalance, perhaps by the occurrence of indigestion, bloating, or even diarrhea. It is during these times when probiotics will be of benefit to re-establish a balanced and healthy microflora. This scene shows the probiotic bacteria multiplying. Of course, pathogenic bacteria can also multiply in the same way. Probiotic bacteria have thus developed methods to prevent, reduce, or eliminate the growth and colonization of pathogens within the gut. These methods are shown through three main mechanisms of action. Competitive exclusion works by a process of competition between the probiotic and pathogenic bacteria for adhesion or colonization sites on the gastrointestinal wall, and also by competition for nutrients within the gut. This is one of the reasons why probiotics work best as a preventative against disease. If they are able to colonize the gut wall prior to the presence of pathogens, then they can act to prevent their colonization and growth, and ultimately prevent disease. Probiotic microorganisms are very efficient at competing for the adhesion sites in the gastrointestinal tract. We see here the probiotic bacteria excluding the pathogenic bacteria from the gut wall. The second mechanism of action is through the production of lactic acid by the probiotic microorganisms. Lactic acid is produced as a means of optimizing the immediate environment of the probiotic bacteria. It acts to reduce the pH of the gut towards a more acid environment. Since pathogenic species of bacteria, such as E. coli and Salmonella, prefer a more alkaline pH, this acid pH acts to kill them. Under stress conditions, our gut becomes more alkaline. This is one of the reasons why, when our bodies get tired, we are more likely to become diseased, as the gut conditions are more suitable for the growth of pathogenic bacteria. A third mechanism of action is to enhance and regulate the immune system. This is demonstrated via the activation of a macrophage immune cell, just one of the ways our body's immune system works. Our probiotic bacterium is able to produce chemical cytokines as a means of communicating with immune cells of the body. Here it is telling the macrophage the location of a colony of pathogenic bacteria. The macrophage is then activated to engulf the colony and destroy it.